Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix an Electrolux dryer that has power but won't start. First, check the door switch. The dryer won't start if the door isn't fully closed or if the switch is faulty. Press the door firmly and listen for a click. If the switch is defective, it may need replacement. Next, inspect the start switch and control panel. A worn or damaged start button can prevent the dryer from turning on. Test the switch with a multimeter if possible, and replace it if necessary. Check the thermal fuse, which is a safety feature that shuts off the dryer if it overheats. A blown fuse will allow power, but prevent the motor from starting. Replace it if needed. Ensure the dryer belt isn't broken. A snapped belt can stop the drum from turning even if the motor runs. Access the drum and inspect the belt for wear or damage. Finally, if all these components are fine, the issue may be with the dryer's motor or electronic control board. In that case, contact a licensed technician for repair. By following these steps, you can fix your Electrolux dryer that won't start and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.